What up fam? I am currently in Taghazout, Morocco, one of my favorite places in the world and one of the world's best surf towns. I don't surf though. I've been here 4 times and every single time I meal prep. So today I'm gonna show you a Moroccan inspired mix and match meal prep using local ingredients. But this time I brought my spice blends and I wanna show you how adding 1 or 2 spices can transform them into something that is distinctly North African inspired. The land urban garlic we're turning into Chermoula. Taco Titan becomes Harissa-Style, and we're using citrus pepper to create a Moroccan dressing. That's 5 batch recipes, 10 meals, 3 days worth of eating. Let's go fam. First thing, we're gonna get the chicken in the marinade. So lime juice, olive oil, then hit it with that land urban garlic, cumin, smoked paprika or regular paprika, a pinch of cinnamon, fresh medley of cilantro and parsley. You're gonna coat it real good, then set it aside. While that sits, we cook everything else. The rice is next. Remember, wash that rice. Then we're gonna saute garlic and a little bit of olive oil. Add the rice, the Taco Titan, a pinch of cinnamon, pinch of turmeric, and this is what turns it from Latin to Moroccan. Bloom the spices and rice together, then add that water or broth, then set it and forget it. Now let's roast some veggies. Zucchini, carrots, bell peppers, eggplant, whichever veggies you actually prefer. Then Taco Titan, regular paprika, some caraway seeds if you have them, then some lime juice. And the secret, a little tomato paste to make it more harissa style. A single layer, don't crowd the pan, so you may need to cook in batches. 425 degrees, 20 minutes. Now I don't care where you are in the world, this tomato cucumber mint salad, it always hits. Make this fresh every 2 or 3 days. Cucumber, tomatoes, onion, mint and parsley. Hit it with that citrus pepper, lemon or lime. No cooking, just chop and toss. Amlou is basically Moroccan almond butter with a little bit of argan and honey, but just grab regular almond butter or peanut butter. Honey, lime, olive oil, citrus pepper, cumin, and cinnamon. Thin it out with some water until it's pourable. That's it, 5 minutes. Chicken's ready to hit the pan, medium-high heat. We're gonna go 5 to 6 minutes per side, and if those pieces are thick, after searing, place them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes to finish. Just that easy, harissa roasted veggies, cumin-spiced garlic rice, fresh mint salad, Chermoula chicken, and Amlou Drizzle Sauce. I got all these ingredients from the local market. It's the same as a regular grocery store, but fresher and less processed. Seriously, y'all, imagine chicken and beef so fresh, it doesn't even smell like meat. And veggies freshly farmed, they're covered in dirt. Yeah, it's extra work to clean them, but man, it is worth the vibrancy and freshness. Okay, let's see what I made from these batch ingredients. Before I show these 10 meals, do me a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It goes a long way in promoting good content that I know that you believe in and I believe in too. Thanks so much. Let's get to these 10 meals. Taghazout Power Bowl. The base build is just rice, chicken, and veggies, and Amlou Drizzle. Chermoula chicken plate. It's low carb, there's no rice, just chicken, roasted veggies, fresh salad. Fried egg rice skillet. You're gonna have crispy rice. You can crack the eggs right in the middle or afterwards, just one pan. North African chicken salad bowl. Lettuce, chicken, fresh salad, and the Amlou dressing. Roasted veggie rice bowl for the vegetarians. Rice, veggies, egg on top. Shakshuka-style egg pan. You can poach or cook the eggs right into the veggies and tomatoes. Shakshuka stuffed bell pepper. Rice, tomatoes, and eggs baked right inside a bell pepper. Spiced beef and egg scramble. You're gonna freshly cook the beef, add the eggs and veggies. A spiced beef and rice skillet. This one's good. Ground beef, rice, veggies, one pan, just 15 minutes. And a sunrise bowl. No reheating, just cold rice, fresh salad, egg, Amlou Drizzle. Get the full meal plan, grocery list, and breakdown at fitmencook.com, link in the description, and get the 3 spice blends, land urban garlic, Taco Titan, and citrus pepper, also in the description. There's no salt added, all flavor. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Or as I learned here in Morocco, Bismillah, or is it Biseha? Okay, it's one of the two. See you in the next one. Peace.